Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do a quick hands-on review of Honor 600 series. Now here we have Honor 600 Pro and it comes with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, not the Gen 5 unfortunately, but if we talk about the display guys, we have a 6.57 inches display, AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and if you look at the design, it looks very similar to honestly iPhone 17 Pro Max. And on the back we have 200 megapixel camera, and on the front we have 50 megapixel camera. Now let's take a quick look at Honor 600. Now this is basically a cheaper version compared to the Honor 600 Pro, and it also comes with if we talk about the processor, Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, and it also has 120Hz refresh rate and 6.5 inches AMOLED display. So the display is very similar, actually it's very identical. They are using the same display for both of their phones, and here as you can see the bezel size is very thin. And if you talk about battery life guys, it has 7000 milliamps of battery for the international market, and if you talk about Europe, you are only getting 6400 milliamps. It is really good that we are getting 7000 milliamps of silicon carbon battery and with the 80 watt charger. They both also have under display fingerprint sensor, which is also really nice, and currently it is running on Android 16, and we are gonna get up to 6 major Android upgrades, which is really nice. So if we talk about the IP rating guys, it has IP68 and IP69K, dust, tight and water resistant, which is really nice. So yeah, a lot of the good features are here, and the color here we have white and orange and black as well for the Honor 600. But I really like this white color compared to the orange one. And let's take a quick look at the price. You are gonna get this in 2999 Saudi Riyals for the 512GB version, and here is for the Honor 600 256GB version. So guys, if you like this video, please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video guys. Allah Hafiz.